Let's see what's going on here. So daily bias already is bullish. Why? Because we're inversing a bullish fair value gap. We've swept these lows. We're inversing a bearish fair value gap, sorry. On the higher time frame, we've swept these lows. I see this fair value gap, this small 4-hour fair value gap on Russell that we're inversing. Why I'm also very bullish, we've inversed this fair value gap as well, pushing up aggressively. So the bias on the day is bullish. I'm looking for upside movement. Now let's get right into it. Let's dial down to the lower time frames and try to structure ourselves in this trade. Very simple, easy to understand this strategy. Bow down to the 15 or the 5 to try to see if we can structure ourselves in this trade. Now that we have our bias, let's try to see if we can watch price action and see how price behaves here. So I just want to see if we can get a trade back into, an IVG and get a nice reaction from that. I do see this 5-minute fair value gap. I do want us to sink into this fair value gap and possibly get a push back to the upside with an inversion. So let's see if we can get that. We still don't want to take out those lows, and then now we have this inversion here. I would prefer those lows, bro. Just take them out, bro. Just take it out. Just don't like how aggressive this shit was. Just actually might take it. I want to put my limit there. See if price wants to take that. Boom, I'm triggered in this trade. I'm in there. Yep, this was... Oh shit, it is a buy limit. Oh fuck. Thanks for telling me. Thanks for telling me, bro. I'm out. I'm out of there. I'm out of there. 1,500 loss. I'm out of there. I do want to participate here. If we get the entry, if we trade back into the entry, I might participate in this trade. Okay, oh my goodness. Stop loss below this level right there. Right there. Stop loss. What is this PA? I'm gonna get out. Oh my goodness. This is ridiculous, bro. Oh man, that's that for me. That's that for me, bro. That's that. 2 losses. I'm done for the day. First loss was a full loss. Second loss was I halved my risk. I'll see you guys another time. Peace.